Welcome guys! Today I will show you how to clone apps on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the Settings app, then go to the Apps chapter and here choose Cloned Apps part. So you cannot clone any apps you want, you can clone only this, which you will find here in this list. So for example, I have WhatsApp, so I just push plus icon. And now I see that this app is cloned. So, if this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!